Hi guys, welcome to this profit booster niche video. This is a video that you must watch irrespective of whatever you do in this online world. You must know where is the money. In this video, I'm going to show you, where is the money, what you should do and which market you should target, which will make you profits. And that is the reason we are here. We are here because this is our business. Even if you've pursued this as an hobby, in some corner of your brain, you really want to explore and you want to make money. You want to grow. Maybe you want to grow your fan following. This is great. Maybe you want to make money. This is great. Maybe you want to build business. This is great. Maybe you want to help clients. This is great. So pay close attention, guys, and I'm giving you everything that you need to know. So just take notes if you want. So let's get started. I don't want to just waste your time. I want to go straight to the point. So what are the top niches that you must target and you that has tons and tons of money and tons of traffic out there? The first one is obviously the big one is health. Then we have wealth. After that, we have relationship. Then we have the next one as hobbies or sports. We call it as one only. And then we have the trending. So all this, if you work on these one, two, three, four, five niches, these are the main niches. Now we're gonna take a deep dive into the sub niches of these niches so that you understand what exactly you must think and how you should take a decision on a niche. Okay. I don't know what interests you, but these are the five main niches that has tons of money lying out there that you need to just grab. Okay. So let's talk about health first. And inside health, we have some sub niches, and just I want to explain you. I want to open my brains, and I want to give you all the ideas that you can have to start your own venture. Okay, own successful venture. The first one is weight loss. If you know something about losing weight, if you can really help people lose weight, then awesome. There are tons and tons of people out there waiting for somebody who's a real person, sharing his real secrets, and that really works. Okay, so weight loss is great. Now after weight loss, the other sub niche that you can work inside health is bodybuilding. Bodybuilding is in itself a big niche, and we can have so many sub niches. Like for some people bodybuilding would be just to stay fit. For some people it would be just building muscles. For some people it would be only doing aerobics. Some people it would be only CrossFit training. Some people it would be like doing only some kind of abs training. So it has so many sub niches. If you have some kind of a skill in this niche, awesome, go out there and share that with the world. Okay, then look young. Everybody wants to look young. All people who are growing with their age, the number is increasing from 30s to 40s to 50s and 60s. Everybody wants to look young. So if you can help people look young, awesome, go for it. Diabetes, a big problem and a big market out there. If you can really help people control it, cure it, go for it. Then diet plans. People need diet plans. People. And then this is another big niche because there's so many sub niches in this. You can have diet plan for kids. You can have diet plan for for only women, for only men, for only newly wedded couple, for artists, for professionals. You can do so many things with diet plans. But if you have that skill, go for it. Now these are some of the major niches, sub niches that I've just given you. It doesn't mean that there are no other sub niches available. If you have any other skill which relates to health, go for it. Okay, just go for it. Okay, so but health is a big niche in itself. Huge amount of profit lying out there. Then after health, we have wealth. Now this is a big one. Okay, and the first one, when we say wealth, the first one that comes in our mind is make money. Yes, make money. It's a huge thing, and this is another big niche. Now wealth could be also termed as make money niche. As simple as that. So everything comes under making money. Now you may be doing anything. You may be doing internet marketing, anything in online marketing like blogging or, YouTube marketing or, social media marketing or helping clients. Anything on this internet is obviously for making money. Work from home, another big niche, it could be a synonym of make money or internet marketing. So, you know what I mean to say. Now, after this, we have crypto. So crypto is another big niche, and it's all about making money. So if you know something about it, go for it. Stock investment, people are waiting to get some tips, to grow their stock investment. So if you have those tips, go for it. Then, affiliate marketing, selling other people's product, maybe on Amazon, maybe digital products or any other physical product, or anything that you don't own and you're just referring people is affiliate marketing. So it is a big niche, and you make tons of money using affiliate marketing. So this is a big niche. So if you have any skills in all or any of them, go for it. Wealth is a perfect niche for you. Okay. Then let's move on and check out the third one, and that is relationship. Another big one. People are dying to get some real people sharing some real strategies in this. So first one is dating. If you know something about how to, get a date, or how to do, how to be a successful dater, maybe for girls, for boys, boom, that's a big niche in itself. Then after dating, we have save marriage. So saving marriages is another big niche. It really helps. There's so many problems coming these days in this world, and if you know something how to save marriage, go for it. Then we have divorce. So if you can save divorce, or if you can just, help people in this niche, go for it. Then we have love letters. This is a big niche. If you know how to write love letters, just share it with the world. People want to learn this. Okay. Then how to get your ex back, maybe ex girlfriend back, ex boyfriend back. This is a big niche in itself. So these are some of the sub niches that I've just illustrated here. But if you know anything else that comes under relationship, go for it. Okay, now the next one is hobbies and sports. Now let's check out. So as the name suggests, so we can, if you know something about any particular sport like golf, tennis, soccer, cricket, anything, then just go for it. It's a big niche in itself. Or if you are an artist, or if you know any skill in, say, singing, playing guitar, playing piano, or painting, then these are some of the big niches. There's so many crazy people out there wanting to learn all this. Okay, so hobbies and sports also come as a perfect niche for you if you want to start and turn your hobbies into a business. So you can do that. Now, the next one is Google is trending niches. Now, trending could be anything. Anything could trend today. Okay, anything could trend tomorrow. Trending just changes. It comes and goes. It happens very fast. But there's certain resources that you can follow in order to know what's trending. So first one is Google Trends. Okay, just go out there and check out Google Trends. It'll help you, find what's trending today. Another big resource these days is Twitter. Twitter has trending news coming all over. Just switch on your notifications on Twitter and it'll let you know what's trending. Okay. Then YouTube trending. So there are videos on YouTube which are trending. The top 20 videos, 40 videos, 50 videos. They're all on trending topics. So YouTube trending is a great way to know how to find trending content. Then obviously whatever is there in news everywhere, that's trending. So it's on newspapers, it's on news, news channels are showing it, newspapers are showing it, on web it's happening everywhere, it's trending. So those topics are again trending. And if you can target those trending niches, obviously these are kind of you, if you're making like viral channels or trending channels on YouTube, if you're having a trending social media accounts, like viral social media accounts on Facebook fan pages, Instagram, Twitter, and you're just sharing trending stuff, obviously go for it. You will get tons and tons of traffic that way. So these are the top niches, guys, and we just understood all of them one by one. Now that's it for this video, but I want you to leave a comment right on the, let me know what's your favorite niche and which niche you want to target and start, and just go for it. Okay, I wish you all the best, I wish you all the success, and I want to hear your success stories, and I'll see you in the next video. See you there.